Oh, hello everyone. Whoa, look at that. There's a train. The Japan Railway got this train to get some scrap. Let's go. The front of the train is so cool. And this is the boiler here. Inside there's so much boilers, and it blows, and it gets really strong, and it goes cooling. And you can see the steam locomotive D61. That video is so good. But it can't run like that train. It's just left for us. It's so cool though. Okay everyone, I'm gonna go down. It's hard to go down because there's a spider. Let's look at the wheels. This is the piston right here, but it's so beat up. Poor little train. This is the piston. Piston gets some more pieces, and the pieces, these things, pushes the wheels like this, and then it goes. This or that is the drive wheel. The drive wheel helps the train to go. Inside the cab, here is the code, and you can put shovel in. This is the handle that goes backwards and forwards. That's backwards, that's forwards. And if you go up here, you can get this off.
I don't think it comes off, buddy.
Oh, anyway, that's really a cool thing.
What is it?
It's a support that we're in trouble, look out, or something. So the train, I think this is one of the things that helps the train. And of course, I forgot about this. This is the whistle. It doesn't work. It doesn't. It can't have a whistle because there's no fire. Whoa.